If you collect decorative figurines like this one, you probably are familiar with this scenario. They break really easily because they're pretty brittle. Now, it's hard to glue them together because there's no way to clamp it or tape it and keeping them in the right position. But here's a trick that works really well using modeling clay. So take a big glob of it, put it on your workbench, and then simply stick in one part of the broken figurine. And that works as a clamp sort of to hold it in position. Then take the other piece and just line it up. And as you can see, by just molding the clay around it, oh, that's actually pretty good right there, it holds the parts exactly in alignment. So once you get it like that, just pull out one piece and add a little instant glue. And this stuff is extremely strong, so you only need a few drops. Now this glue cures in 10 minutes, not in just 10 seconds. So that's why it's important to keep it held in alignment. So just leave it like that for the full 10 minutes, and when it's dry, you just pull it out of the clay, and it'll be as good as new.